Okay, so we have tournament report from around 25 October until 28. So this is last week before we get new set box, and we have like Purely, Rescue S, Invoke, and this Phantom Knight. Also this Phantom Knight is like a base build. If you want to play this deck, you need to mix it with um, Horus and Adventure Engine. Next we have Purely. This is from Master Duel, so I will skip it. Next we have Cold Pride Punk. And if you want to play this deck, you can use this for reference. Next we have Rescue S. So this is like an old build before the new cards from Phantom Nightmare, I think. Next, Deno, Madaman, Tyr, Centurion Bestial. Next, Purely, standard build. Okay, so this is interesting. He played Secure Gardner. Next, Phantom Knight. We have Synchrotech. We have Labyrinth. Next, so yeah, as you can see, we played new this Link Tree, this Princess Link Tree Fire. This card is really strong in any fire deck. For Rescue S, you can free summon your Turbulence. Let's say it got negated by opponent Impulse or something, because we usually summon a little knight before you use Turbulence. Because let's say your opponent respond to your Turbulence activation, you can chain little knight, and this Turbulence effect still resolve. So that's why people use a Valor or Impulse to Turbulence after it summon. So before it activated effect, they discard or use Impulse or Valor to Turbulence. So it means you still not use Turbulence effect yet, so you can summon this Princess with Little Knight plus this Turbulence to summon this, and you can summon Turbulence again, and you can use Turbulence and set 4. So that's the idea about this card in this deck. So this card is like mandatory in this deck right now. This well too. And you can use Turbulence plus this Princess to summon this well, Link for Fire. We don't have much option for Link Fire monster, so far this card is really good. Hita is another option if you want to summon this, because Princess in second effect is really good, because you can destroy opponent card. Yeah, you can destroy opponent monster with it. Next, their danger with Malicious. I also played this Unchained. This is interesting, one Unchained. I think with this Unchained you can destroy this Sulik. Next, Snake Eye. He played Triple Fire. And he focus on Synchro, I think. I like this. Interesting. I think I will update my Snake Eye combo, I think. with this build. Next, magician. And as you can see, people try to play without harmonizing because sometimes it breaks, so that's why they max out this like wing. And with this like wing, you need second like womb. And with this build, you can play like 3 impulse and 3 failure. But I personally like to play 2-2 because sometimes it's break. Next, I think this deck is not from tournament, but you can use this for reference. This is Red Raptor featuring a new card. Salamangreat. He played this this new counter trap. I already shared this combo, but the difference is he played this Salamangreat of Fire instead of Lady Debug. Next, Fire King. This build played Bonfire. I already shared this combo. This is like another give you another starter hand to combo. The problem about the Fire King before it's sometimes this deck is break because let's say this Barong and this Hanuman or something. If you open these two, this card is break, so that's why you need another starter, and this gives you more consistency. Next, Labyrinth. I believe you don't use any new cards. Next, we have Centurion. This is really crazy. He played 3 Valor, 3 Mourner, 3 Evenly. Next, this is Salamangreat from list before. Next, we have Valiance, Labyrinth, Phantom Knight, Kaliyuga Turbo, next we have Van Chen. Next, this Kaliyuga Turbo before. Okay, so he played Typhoon and new Red Raptor inside deck. I don't know how he summoned this new Red Raptor in here. Next, Rescue S. And he played Troll. Interesting, he played Troll. Maybe because people play this Bonfire, so they will not get value from this Populus. So let's say your opponent use Bonfire and search this Populus, and you can use Troll to respond it, so they cannot search this Snake Eye spell. So it also lock him to search like this Airlifter, maybe in mirror match, Hydran. Interesting actually. Next, purely with standard build, and he only add this Agile in extra deck. Purely. Okay, so after I reread this Dark Lord link, I think this just for time because the only effect that relevant in this deck is just gain 500 life point in pace. It's for its vary your control. So I think this is just for time, I think, especially in game 3. Next rescue S, and he played bonfire, but he don't use princess. Next labyrinth, no new cards. Next rescue S, he played super poly and still use old build, I think, nothing new. Next, purely Centurion Naturia plus Horus. Okay, so only 2 Horus, interesting, and only 1 Horus name. This is interesting build actually. And why he don't play 3 Insanity instead of these 2? Next we have Magmac with EMP. Okay, so EMP is good in here too. Interesting. Yeah, this is interesting, this one. Next we have Labyrinth. Yeah, this Magmac is interesting actually. Next, Rescue S. I believe this list is from before. Runic, Rescue S. This is 3v3 tournament. This is the second place. Centurion with Dogma Engine only played 3 Nadir, 1 Maximus, and I don't know what this card name is. 1 Ecclesia, and only 2 this Pyro, this level 4 Pyro. Interesting. Vanquish with Impulse. Impulse, I believe this is for like hand trap in this deck. And Phantom Knight. Next, Salaman with Black Rose. So you can summon Black Rose with this wheel or something. This is standard level 3, and you only need level 4, let's say this this level 4. Next Labyrinth and Ignister. Next we have Adaman, Rescue S, and Supreme King Magician. And once again, is not played Harmo. Next we have Runic. This is Centurion from before. Rescue S. Purely. And we have Hero. Yeah, not bad result actually. Magician. Vanquish. Vanquishal. Purely. Standard build, but you have good record. Purely. Rescue S. don't know what this deck is. Maybe Aroma. Aroma plus Sunavolon, I think. Next Rescue S. This is Satan Extra. Next Purely Standard. Yeah, it's not from tournament, but you can use this for reference. This Yubel deck. Next Salaman. Next we have this Supreme King. Spring Gun, I believe. Runic. Another Runic. Rescue S with 3 Valor and 1 Impalm. Thunder Dragon plus Horus. Yeah, I think this is first time I saw Horus in Thunder Dragon. Labyrinth. This one Theron Horus with mini engine Centurion. Next we have Purely and Phantom Knight with Brave and 3 Diabel, interesting. And he used new Horus too, new Horus Master, and he maxed out all Horus name. I think it is like 50 cards maybe, because he played a lot of cards. Scarecrow. Yeah, I thought it is from Master Duel, so that's why I read it again. Vanquish. Next from Quinta CS 3v3 tournament. First we have Fire King, Magician, Super Heavy. Next Rescue S, Magician, next Fire King with Bonfire. Purely. Next Rescue S, Purely, Valiance. Next we have Braided, Max Rarity. Next Magician. As you can see, right now people don't play Harmo anymore. Next we have Purely, Invoke, Fire King with Bonfire. So Fire King have 2 builds. One is with Bonfire, the other one is not use Bonfire. I think Bonfire is too much better because it gives you more starter hand, so it's really important. Even though right now the price is going up, but if you want to like win tournament, I think Bonfire is must. Centurion. I think this is there. Invoke. Purely. and we have hero. Next Valiance. Chimera. Next we have Rescue S. Next Rescue S, Runic, Rescue S, Centurion, Vanquish, Phantom Knight, Salaman, Labyrinth. Maybe I already shared this one, maybe, but I'm not really remember about this. Purely, another Purely, Purely. Yeah, as you can see, Purely is still good, but for real duel, I think it depends with your luck. Pure Horus, Purely, with Reboot in main deck, Magician, we have a really good record, and this is like a new standard build for this Pendulum. You don't need a Pengraph spell anymore. I already share about my talk on my deck profile. Rescue S. Yeah, I think that's it. I will stop from here because this is 29 October. So see you on the next one.